China IVL office has developed quickly until now. It will develop even quicker in the future, I'm quite sure about that. So we said when we have the celebration for IVL being 50 years that maybe our main office will be in China. I think this will happen, and it will happen in the next 15 years. If I compare when we arrived in the mid-80s to China now, in a way it's a similar problem with air, water, soil, but you have much larger industries, more people in the cities, and we also have better tools to solve the problem. So the capacity is much better on the Chinese side and also on our side.
25 years ago, when I was in IVL, I got a lot of chance to learn the memory technology for industry wastewater treatment. I think in the future that China and Sweden, we can work, cooperate in two fields. One is sustainable development. The second one is climate change. And in China, the industry and the society and the government, they began to pay much more attention in these two fields.
Yeah, I would say today IVL is working very much with large global companies. So we want to have common legislation and rules for them. This is in favor of the environment, but also for the economy for the companies. I think indirectly IVL has contributed a lot together with Swedish EPA to convince Chinese side to set in tougher regulation goals and be a driver for the development. You influence so much more in China with 1.3 billion than you do in Sweden. And I also want to transfer some of the good experiences to them so they can jump over some steps.